welcome back to my channel. So today's gonna be a really fun day and I'm really excited to bring you through it. I'm also going to be showing you guys tomorrow as well, because tomorrow is the wedding, my aunt's and uncle's wedding that I'm going to be going to. So I'm going to be showing you guys the whole get ready with me for that and then the whole wedding. So these 2 days are going to be really fun for filming. But today I'm just going to give you a quick little rundown. I'm planning on going to the gym very soon. Just probably at 9 o'clock with my sister and my mom. And then I'm going to be going to the beach with my friends to celebrate my friends' birthdays. So we're probably just gonna have a fun little beach day, and then we're probably gonna go back to one of their houses and watch the new season of Summer I Turned Pretty. And then tomorrow's gonna be all the wedding. It's gonna be literally so much fun. It is really cold in my room right now. Ooh, much better. Okay, so all for right now, I'm just going to be putting basically my Maribid SEO spray and then just some sunscreen. It doesn't look sunny out, but I promise you it's gonna be really sunny later. I do have summer school today, but I'm not really gonna be doing it. I might do it later, but like, do I want to? Not really. So guys, I'm gonna be doing a little OOTD for the gym. So necklace is from Claire's, earrings is from Claire's, jewelry down, shirt from Lulu, shorts Aritzia, and then my shoes are probably gonna be from Nike. That's the cute little outfit. So yeah, so I think we're gonna be going now, and yeah, so I'm just gonna brush my teeth and we're gonna be heading out the door. Okay guys, so I just finished my workout and now I'm on the massage chairs. I didn't film like a lot of my workout. I just filmed a little bit of it. Okay guys, so I just went to Dollar Tree to get my friends their last minute gifts. So my friend is gonna come to pick me up very soon. So I'm gonna quickly get ready and then yeah. Okay guys, so I just got changed. I'm gonna show you a quick little view of my outfit. So I just have this dress. Then my bathing suit is from Aerie. So yeah, I'm really excited. I packed my bag. This is what it looks like. It's just a little tote bag. I just have my water bottle, my sunscreen. It's the kids kind. My hat, and this is also from Aerie. Cute. My tanning oil, and then my little face sunscreen. And then my mom is making me a little lunch because I haven't ate yet and I'm literally starving. Okay guys, so I just made a quick little matcha because I was literally craving it so much. But my friend is on her way, so I'm about to go. Okay everyone, so I'm in the car. Sierra. It's cute Andrea. It's for my YouTube channel.
We can take this ride wherever it goes, as long as you're with me. I feel at home. Can you tell me why? 'Cause I wanna know. As long as you're with me, I feel at home.
Nice.
Yeah. I wave goodbye to my old life.
How's it guys?
Been reaching for some new heights. My baby there the whole time, and it feels right.
And I still see the sauce in the memory.
I'm all about it, yeah. I need my father.
Here, baby.
Yeah. Sometimes you can't even see what's right in front of you. Life gets the best of me, I don't know what to do. Miles still ahead of me, and I don't have a clue right now. But we can take this ride wherever it goes, as long
my YouTube channel.
I feel at home.
Hi. You got Claire.
Cause I wanna know as long as you're with
You girl.
I feel at home.
You didn't even do it.
Go Claire.
My mark, right on your heart.
Yes, Claire.
This far,
Audrey!
no, I don't wanna restart.
So I'm having so much fun. We're just kind of packing up a little bit because it's like it might rain very soon. But I'm just having so much fun with my friends. So a little setup. Oh,
Sometimes you can't even lie, 'cause the best of me, I don't know what to do. I'm still ahead of me, and I don't have a clue right now.
say like, hey guys, we're in the car. We're in the car and we are having a good time. We just finished at the beach and now I'm going home. And then we're gonna meet up later and watch the sunrise at 13. Yep. So exciting. Bye bye. Okay guys, so I'm currently at Audrey's house now.
Oh, is this for your YouTube channel?
Yeah. Say hi, Claire. Say hi, beautiful.
Cuteness overload.
Happy birthday, baby.
I love.
Good morning, guys. Don't mind my hair, but I just made some protein pancakes. These are packed with protein. We have to leave around like 1:30 and it's currently I think 10, but I definitely want to look good and I want to have a lot of time, like an hour, just to take full-on videos, TikToks, photos, everything. So I have to definitely spare my time wisely. Okay everyone, so I am just about to do my hair. I got my crimper. That's what like I'm doing for my hair. So that is good. I'm just gonna put some oil in it. This is the brand. I'm not too sure. I kind of had this for like years now. I'm definitely putting these at my ends because I don't want to put it near my roots because then my hair is gonna get greasy. I'm just gonna add a little bit of voluming texture spray. This is from the L'Oreal Paris. I think this is honestly meant to be dry shampoo, but it's also like textured spray, I'm pretty sure. So I'm just gonna put that in there because we want a little bit of texture. Okay, so I'm probably going to part my hair just in the middle, and then I'm just going to put one side up and I'll work on this side.
Hey guys! Welcome actually back this time. People from her school found her YouTube.
Okay everyone, so hair is done. It's very crimped right now. It just has to settle a little bit, but it looks really cute. Okay everyone, so I'm ready for the wedding. Yeah, I don't end up wearing that dress. Whoa! Oh my god! Okay guys, so it's currently dinner time. We are getting our little portions of food. So we just had bread and now we're gonna get salads. So yeah. Oh my god.